All right, this is almost impossible, guys. Somehow, I literally just hooked a bird. I'm trying to get this out of the water. I'm so sorry. Come on, buddy. How are you gonna get it off? Cut it. Just cut it off.
Do it?
Yeah. I wanted to kill it. No way, man. There's no way.
No.
Yeah.
How?
Mid-air, just poof. I think he went to eat the thing or something, man. I'm so sorry. Birdie. He's about to fly, too. Put him on land. Man, I freaking caught a bird. Look. Hold on, let's get him on land.
Want to bring him over here? Dude, he was tweaking. I couldn't grab the string.
I know. Birdie, I'm so sorry.
Oh wait, he's settling down. Maybe I could try and grab your kid. No, hell no.
How does that happen? Oh, he's done, man. I don't think he's gonna survive. We had to cut the hook because he was freaking out.
Yes, I don't know.
Leave him for the coyotes.
Yeah. He's probably like, what happened?
No, I think he just had a heart attack.
You can't cut it out. I almost had it out.
You did?
Grab him with the net.
Really calmly do it. It seems like it wrapped around his wing. Can anybody hold him? I think Cody's the only one that could grab him because he's got that animal thing.
Here, trade.
All right, we're attempting to get this hook out of this.
Oh, he's going way too high. You got him? Dude, he's got.
Where's he at?
No, it's not right there. Hold on. Oh!
Well,
He took off. Well, he can fly now.
I think he's all right, man.
I wonder if the hook fell out.
That's what I'm thinking.